Follow our camera to explore the entire production process of the aluminum extruder. The long bar hot shearing furnace starts to work, cutting the aluminum bars into appropriate lengths. With the press of the button, the extruder is officially started. A powerful force is about to be released, and the aluminum bars will be extruded into shape through the die under this force. The clamping claws of the traction machine precisely clamp the profile and pull the profile forward at a constant speed according to the set length.
根本来不及拍，我操！